Y'all, this is the best out of Tampa Bay. All right, you guys, when I tell you, look at this, look at this, look at this, baby. This is some fried oysters, you guys. Looks so good. When I tell you 10 out of 10. And the name of the place is Gardengyros. 10 out of 10. You guys, you must go try them. You have to. Let them know ENS Plus 3 TV sent y'all, and know they did not pay me to do this review. And I live so far away, you guys, and they and I, we love this place. They have fried oyster, chicken wings, you name it, baby, they have it for you. All right, 10 out of 10 recommended. Okay, we got 2 plates, 2 of them, the same thing. Like, I love them. The chicken wings, 10 out of 10. Everything, 10 out of 10. All right. Like, if you think y'all better than them, reach out to your girl, okay? And I'll come by and, you know, buy something and give you guys my honest opinion, period. But, child, you already know what's gonna happen. Let's put it to the side. Ooh, y'all, I'm in the car, okay? I can't wait till I get home. I'm gonna look at all this goodness. So good.